Hey everybody, welcome back. So we have an upcoming trip to Europe planned. Originally, we were going to just be traveling via train. So I didn't want to bring a big rolling suitcase. I really just kind of wanted to find something small, like a backpack. I have some backpacks, but then I saw this backpack online and definitely wanted to give that one a try because I like the way it looked. So we have the AER. This is the X Pack, the Travel Pack 3 X Pack. So we'll take a look and see what we got here. So one thing that's really unique about this is take a look at these clips. So here's the chest strap. You kind of push it towards itself for it to come undone, and then it's magnetic. So I thought those were really cool. Also, you have some adjustment straps here for the top of your shoulder straps. The back part is nicely padded. And it also has a pass-through in case you do have luggage. You can slide that over the handles. So it has kind of like a parachute fabric. It's supposed to be waterproof. In the back, we have a nice large backpack sleeve here. And there's actually, let's see if I can do this, you actually have another divider in there. So if you wanted 2 laptops or a laptop or an iPad or whatever the heck you wanted to put in there, you have it. Also, there's this little secret pocket in there. That's pretty good. Let me try to get that in the light. So you've got a hidden pocket there. That's about, see what we get here. It's about probably about 4 to 4.5 inches deep. I guess while we're at it, the overall height of this bag is about 20.5 inches. Followed by that, you got another nice little padded quick access pocket there. It is padded and felt, so you could put glasses in there without any worries. That one is also about 4.5 inches deep. Now we'll move along to the side here. Again, you've got those cool little clips there. And you would use that just to kind of shrink your bag as much as you wanted. And then we've got a side pocket here. Let's move around to this side. You have a carry handle in case you want to stow your straps. Although I don't think you can stow your straps. They're stitched in there. But then you have this water bottle holder. But it does have a zipper here, so you can keep it flat against your bag if you're not toting a water bottle. Or you could fully open it. Let me check my, just gotta, this is the 20, this is a 26 ounce Yeti. Let's see if it slides in there. And it fits in there just fine, no issues. That's everything on the outside, it looks like. So the front, you get a pretty deep pouch here with a key lanyard. Then you have this outside pouch with a bunch of little compartments that you can, keep your stuff organized. That's one thing that I had liked about this bag, was just they really take into account trying to keep things organized for you. And then when we open up the center here, we have a large sideways pouch in there and a mesh pouch there. Then the bag itself, or the main compartment I should say. And then up here, not sure if you'll be able to see it. Let's see. It has a little hidden pocket for like an air tag, so you can keep track of your stuff. So definitely a nice looking bag. Let's see, this main compartment is about 4 inches deep. Now, it's designed to, really be used as a carry-on that can fit underneath the seat or up above. So that's why it's not very deep. But one thing I would say is it would be nice if it did have the ability to expand in case you weren't trying to use it as a carry-on. I do not see any expansion opportunities there. So let me take a couple packing cubes and see how everything looks in there. So it's semi-comfortable, not too bad. I said it's got a lot of nice features on it, but I don't know if it's going to work for me. It might be a little bit too small. Maybe if you're a smaller person, your clothes aren't as big. But the other thing is I use a CPAP machine, so I don't know. I'm going to have to kind of pack it as if I was actually leaving to see if it's going to facilitate everything that I need it to facilitate. But it is definitely good material. It's good quality for sure. Like I said, the company is AER. So yeah, I'll drop down in the comments if I decide to keep the bag or not. Thing is it's not a cheap bag, so I'm not willing to sacrifice anything. Normally I use this Osprey bag, which is a little bit bigger. You can stow away the straps and everything. And this bag has treated me pretty good, so I don't know. We'll see. All right. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. If you have any questions about the bag itself, please put that down in the description below or in the comments below. I'll answer it to the best of my abilities. And as usual, if there's anything that you want to see reviewed on this channel, put that down in the comment section and I'll try to get my hands on it. And if there's anything in particular that you want tested with it, please put that there also so I can try to get it done during the video. Other than that, we'll see you next time. Bye.